Are you thinking about selling your home, but you're worried with this crazy low inventory that you won't be able to find a replacement property and you'll be homeless? Well, that's a very understandable concern. We all need a roof over our heads. I've got good news though. There are so many solutions selling your home and finding a replacement home, even with this limited inventory here in San Ramon and the Bay Area. One of those options I want to share is a Seller Contingency. Hi, I'm Jason Caskie with Coldwell Banker of Danville, and we've helped hundreds of sellers just like you over the past 20 years navigate through this and so many other obstacles and issues. The good news is that there are contingencies on your behalf that we can put into place to protect you from this. We can sell your home to a buyer contingent upon you finding a home of your choice within a certain time frame. So we can secure a buyer and we don't have to sell your home if you don't find the home of your dreams. This is great because there's so much less stress this way. You won't feel like you've got to just choose a home that you don't absolutely love, and the offer you make on your replacement home will look stronger because you're already in escrow on your home. My point is this: we've got solutions. We've just got to think outside the box a little bit. We wouldn't want you to do anything we wouldn't do ourselves, and thankfully we've got years and years of experience, so we know what to do and what not to do. We want selling to be fun, and we want you to enjoy the buying process without the worry. There are many things to consider, questions we need to ask so that we cover all our bases in protecting you and your most valued asset. So give us a call, even if you're just curious or want to strategize scenarios. We're more than happy to help. As always, this is Jason Caskie with Coldwell Banker in Danville, and remember, sell your home smarter. I'm looking forward to hearing from you and make it a great home selling and buying day. Thank you for watching.